morning vlog. It is Friday for you, so congratulations, you made it to the end of the week. Happy birthday if it's your birthday today. By some chance, happy birthday to you. And we're here for our first semi-normal vlog in the new place. We still have quite a bit of unpacking to do. We're tackling the bedroom today because we still have not gotten around to that. It's been a busy, long couple of days. So there will still be some unpacking stuff, but this is gonna be more of a normal vlog as we're continuing to settle into normal life here in our new home, which we are loving so much so far. It's been so good. So I just wanted to pop in and say hi. I'm going to hop into some work now and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Oh, actually, quickly, let's try this. If you saw my last vlog, you know that I got the wrong like chai tea latte. It's like vanilla caramel. I mean, it's not wrong, it's just it's different. So let's give it a little taste. It's very hot still. Oh, it's really good. Very caramelly. I think I like the plain vanilla better in general, but this is still like extremely delicious, so can't complain. So I just got a package. I'm pretty sure that this is a housewarming gift that my mom sent.
Karen's the best.
Yes, so excited to see what this is.
Reclaiming the name Karen for everyone out there.
That's right. Oh, my poor mother. Oh, this is cute. Our bucket list. Creative and inspirational journal for different adventures. Oh, this is fun.
Oh, that's nice.
You like decide things that we want to do together?
Well, does it have to be together?
Yes, it's called
Kidding.
Our Bucket List. Rude. Oh, this is so fun. We can write down like the things we want to try in this neighborhood. Sweet. And look, it has like a little beachy vibe.
That's nice.
Like our new home. All right, and then let's
What
see
a cute idea.
Is this literally what we were picking out yesterday?
No way.
Let's see. I'm pretty sure it is.
Is this the
I
same
think we
one?
literally put this in our Amazon cart yesterday. Let's see though.
No.
Is this a cooler? Connor and I literally just picked out a backpack cooler yesterday and put it in our Amazon cart. We were like, oh, let's go for the nice one. Yeah, this is it. Thank God I didn't order that yesterday.
That is amazing.
Love it. No, we were literally just saying we need a cooler for like going to the beach more, and we were like,
show your Amazon cart. Like
yeah, no, it's almost the exact same thing. Oh look, it comes with like a little blanket in here.
Ooh.
A smaller
She
little
got the
pack.
nicer one that we wanted.
Yes.
Oh, I love this gift.
Mom, thank you. Way to pick out exactly what we wanted.
Look at this.
What? Oh, look at this in here. It's like a whole friggin' picnic set. This is way better than what we picked out.
Yeah, no kidding.
Look at this.
Yeah,
it has,
show it inside.
yeah. So it has a wine opener,
Oh my God,
some silverware, little plastic wine glasses, napkins. It's like a full picnic set. It's because she knows how much we love picnics.
It's true.
We do love to picnic. Way to go, Mom.
Yeah, she crushed it.
Crushed it. This is exactly what we wanted. Love it.
Great gift.
Amazing gift. Thank you, Mom. Perfect
yeah.
housewarming.
Well, this is dope. Like, this is being used this week.
100%. Yeah. Big hearty salad here. We have quinoa, cucumber, avocado, corn, tomato, bell pepper, and some leftover cod from last night. It's gonna be really good, I think. Well, just like that, it's the end of the day. I have a little bit more work to get done, but we're taking a little break right now to work on some unpacking. Like what I have to finish up is very easy, mindless stuff. So I'd rather use my leftover brain power for the day to work on some unpacking in our bedroom because it is bad in there right now, you guys. We have not done a single thing. Like
We're in
not
the same
one.
pants a lot.
I know. Yeah, we don't know where our clothes are. Nothing's organized. Just is like a mess. Let me show you. Just boxes everywhere. Nothing is where it should be. My laundry is overflowing. It's just a problem. We gotta take care of some of this.
I'm living with a hoarder.
I know, sorry. I'm living with an unintentional minimalist, so. Here's Molly's pink string. We finally found it.
Oh yeah, is that a little hip hop? Oh yeah.
Instantly into it. Good girl, Molly cat. My little speedy kitty. You don't want to leave the rug? She only likes playing on the rug. She's such a drama queen. So just like that, all of the boxes are gone, which is really nice. There's obviously still a lot to do. I have to go through my bathroom boxes, so that's on the agenda for today, as well as rearranging in here a little bit. And I brought so many pillows with me. Believe it or not, I also threw out so many pillows, but gotta figure out what we want to keep of this and where we're gonna store it. So that's sort of where we're at right now with this. So Connor's on a family Zoom call out there now, but I'm gonna keep going with the bedroom here because most of this shit is mine anyway. Also, what is this? Let me fix that, because that will drive me insane. Looks a little better. I need to hop in the shower tonight anyway and wash my hair. So it just needs to be good enough for now. Better. Anyway, let me share with you my plan for this room as of right now. So something that I haven't quite figured out yet is the annoying way that like you can't have the bed centered without the window, but also pushing it this way, like there's not enough room for it to be over here. So I think that's just something that I sort of have to live with, but I am thinking that I might move it over a little bit more because I'm thinking that I'm gonna move this and this over here for now. And that's sort of what I am envisioning for this room. I'm gonna move this, I think for now, just at the base of this. And then I'm going to move in my little black desk here. That way we can put the TV on the wall here. I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna be able to move all this stuff myself. So we're just gonna go for it and hope for the best, see what happens. Okay, found these little scuffs on the wall. So I'm gonna try to remove them with a magic eraser that I have. Oh, perfect. Okay, so I'm leaving this like this for now. Obviously, there's still tons of stuff to go through, but I am going to refocus my energy into the bathroom here and figure out what the deal is with both of these boxes. I have to figure out laundry stuff, and then I want to play around with making the bed and figuring out what pillows we want to use in here. I also do not like this in here, but it's easy storage for now, so we're gonna definitely keep it for now, but I guess I might try to find a different one. Also, this obviously has a huge stain on it, so either way it needs to be replaced. Sort of at right now. I have a lot less bathroom storage than I used to in my old place, so I'm doing my best here. I managed to sort of fit this basket in around this pipe, which is good. So I have a bunch of my products in here that I don't use every day, but that I like to have on hand, and then hair tools back there. This is gonna be for Connor stuff because he like doesn't have anything. To cut this off. There we go. These little baskets are from Target, by the way, but I got them a while ago, so not sure. Also, my OCD is killing me that I arranged it with the handles in the wrong place, but I'm gonna deal with that later. Not right now. So luckily, there is a whole, obviously, second bathroom where I'm gonna put some of the stuff that I don't use a ton. These Clorox wand refills, I'm just gonna throw in there. I have some trash and stuff, but we are getting there now. Okay, we've moved into the office now to try to work on getting my clothes situated. So I finally cleared enough room, enough boxes that I could put my suitcase up so I can start going through it and organizing. So in case you missed it, my closet is going to be in the office here because it's the biggest closet in the apartment. Fortunately, closet space leaves a little something to desire, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. But what I haven't quite figured out yet is like, I don't really want to put my dresser in here, but like my shirts and stuff are in my dresser. So I don't know. I haven't quite figured out what to do about that yet, but I'm just gonna start going through some of this stuff and figure that out as we go. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. Like, should I just hang all my shirts? But like the closet space is limited, so I don't know. I'm feeling a little conflicted about what to do, but if you guys have any ideas, let me know. I'm thinking what I'll probably end up doing is hanging all of my shirts. That way the dresser is more for like pajamas and workout stuff, underwear, stuff like that. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh my God, it is hot. I'm dying, you guys. This room gives me so much anxiety, but Molly Cat, I think, is quite enjoying the maze. Hi. Do you feel stuck back there? How did you get back there, huh? This is an empty box. Let me maybe stack this. There you go, Molly Cat. A little bit of a clearer path there for her. I mean, she's fine. She weaves her way through anyway, but okay. Let me start working on these clothes. Very good look. As you can see, just got out of the shower. Felt so good just to like decompress after a sort of long day. And Connor got started on dinner for us, and tonight we are making Crunchwrap Supremes, one of our favorite meals. So we're gonna start a little assembly line and get it together. All right, first one out, and it is cooked perfectly. Look at that.
We're feeling pretty good about these guys.
I'm not gonna lie, these may be some of our best. So excited.
I think it might be the tortillas too.
Yeah, the tortillas are like very well suited for this.
Exactly, they're easy to fold in.
Guys, check out this creation. I am so excited. These are probably the best ones that we've ever made. And I feel like we say that every time, but we just get better every time.
Exactly.
They are looking amazing, and we're just gonna watch some Survivor. It's already like 9 p.m., so I am fully ready to just like turn off. Yeah, exactly. Well, another successful day down. Feeling very accomplished about what we accomplished today.
You crushed it, especially, baby. Way to take on the bedroom.
And then we have a TV set up in here. It's the best.
Little kitty cat.
Little kitty cat. Always hanging out with us.
24/7.
24/7. She does not like to be away from us. Hard to get some alone time.
Thought the rooms would change that. It's a tough life we live.
Yeah, very tough life for us and for Molly Cat. Thank you guys for watching today though. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on Monday. Enjoy your weekend.